Hi guys, welcome. I just wasted, well, I don't know if it's an hour or more, but I just wasted a lot of time. And I want to prevent that, if that will happen, might happen to you. And it has again related to the new Pacman version 6, right? Lots of things happened because of the fact that Pacman version 6 was pushed through. What can happen if you stay rolling? Right, what can happen if you stay rolling? This is a computer system that's completely new. Had some fun with it, installed Tela icons and a nice wallpaper. So we have this look now. So this is what you can install: Tela Blue Dark, yay Tela, and you'll find it. And then a nice wallpaper. You got it. The thing is, we are working on the tweak tool. So Control-Alt-T. Let's update the system first. So we got the last one in, voila. Version number 7 is in. Control-Alt-E launches the tweak tool. And the last thing I've done is add reset Pacman back to the thing here. Now, it took a while before I realized, it's back, the tweak tool is a large application, lots of files and lots of complexity. But suddenly it hit me, and that might be possible too on your machine. So I don't want you to waste time and frustration. Always, we should avoid that if we can, right? On your hard drive, there is an etc folder, and there is pacman.conf. What have I typed already? Pacman.conf. Here it is. So our tweak tool makes a backup, pacman.conf back. So once you start messing with the tools here, with the buttons, we say, hey, let's be safe and let's put a pacman.conf back there. So if we click on this button and reset Pacman, the old Pacman comes back. Now the thing is, because of the version 6 and 5 and the switch, if you are like me and you stay rolling, what's in here, it's an old configuration of version 5. So there was nothing wrong with ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. No, there was an old pacman.conf back was put back, and which was probably 1 year and a half ago or something like that. It was version 5. Hence, what's happening? Why is this tool doing that? The tool is just putting this back to here. So just want you to make aware that you need to make sure that if you say my pacman.conf is good, then you copy paste the content in here, and then if you press this button, then nothing happens, because these are the same content and this one will go in here. That's what I wanted to share as a possible frustration matter due to the version 6, due to the fact that you're rolling and that this version is an old version. All right, cheers.